Hello everyone and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Today we are going to showcase an SEO backlink report template. So if you are into link building and you want to report to your clients, this template is for you. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So tab number one, this is our SEO backlink report template. We're going to start with a domain URL. So let's say we are building links. The first thing we need to note down is what is the URL of the website that we want the link, what is the URL of the specific page that the link is on, when exactly this link is posted, what is the type of the link. So is it a guest post, is it a mention, is it a listicle, is it something else, is it a do follow or a no follow link, what is the anchor text. And then from there, it will be also cool to note down the domain authority of the website which hosted basically the link that you want. And here we have link status. So sometimes the link is going to be broken, or maybe you are pending from the publisher to publish the link, or the link is live. So this tracker here will allow you to be nice and organized when it comes to your link building efforts. And from there, clients want results. So what is ideal for you to do is to create another tab where you are going to track the domain rating, the domain authority. So why are we building links? We're building links to increase the domain authority, which means we're going to have the first column with all the months from January all the way to December. We're going to start with our current domain authority. You can use any tool to find your domain authority or domain rating. I will advise you to use the Ahrefs website authority checker, but there are a lot of other tools in the market that can do the same thing. And you are going to say, okay, in February, we have a domain rating of 15, and every first of the month, you are going to measure your domain authority or your domain rating. And the last column here is the difference. So you want to show whether you are making progress or things are stable, or even worse, you are basically losing domain rating. If you are doing an awesome job in link building, domain rating should gradually increase. It will not increase rapidly. So you cannot go from, let's say, 15 to 35 immediately, or from 50 to, let's say, 70. But you should see over time, let's say quarter on quarter, you should see some progress, which is going to be attributed to the link building efforts that you are working on. That's it. That's a suggestion of how you can create an SEO backlink report template. All the templates can be found in our digital resources hub. The link is in the video description below. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.